Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the heart of connection, cultivating emotional safety in relationships. It's about creating a haven where vulnerability is seen as courage, where imperfections are accepted and authenticity is celebrated. Let's explore the building blocks of this powerful foundation together. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights on building meaningful connections. Imagine a relationship where you can truly speak your truth, where your words are met with open hearts and minds. Encourage your partner to share their deepest thoughts and feelings, and as they do, listen with every fiber of your being. Listen not to respond, but to understand, to truly empathize with their experience, even if you don't see eye to eye. And when it's your turn to share, speak your truth with vulnerability, using I statements to express your feelings without blame. When we communicate with vulnerability and empathy, we build bridges of understanding, creating a safe passage for deeper connection. Life is full of twists and turns, moments of joy and times of uncertainty. True emotional safety thrives on the unwavering presence and support of our partners. It's about showing up, especially during those challenging times, being that steady anchor in the midst of life's storms. Keep your promises, big or small. When you say you'll be there, be there. This consistency, this unwavering reliability whispers to your partner, "You are safe with me." Just as roots need space to grow, so do we. Respecting boundaries and privacy is essential for nurturing emotional safety. Encourage your partner to pursue their passions, their individual growth, and honor their need for personal space. Asking, "Is this a good time to talk?" shows your partner that you honor their boundaries and emotional well-being. Imagine a relationship where mistakes are seen as opportunities for growth, where imperfections are embraced with compassion. When disagreements arise, approach them with a spirit of understanding and a desire to find common ground. Replace blame with curiosity, criticism with empathy. Love thrives in an environment of acceptance where we feel safe to stumble and grow without the fear of harsh judgment. Words have incredible power. In relationships, expressing appreciation and affirmation is like speaking the language of the heart. Celebrate your partner's strengths, their accomplishments, no matter how small. Let them know how much you appreciate their presence in your life. A simple "thank you for being you" can go a long way in fostering a sense of deep appreciation and emotional safety. We are all perfectly imperfect beings navigating this messy, beautiful journey of life. True emotional safety requires us to embrace our own vulnerabilities and accept the imperfections of our partners. Allow yourself to be seen, flaws and all, and create a space where your partner feels safe to do the same. A heartfelt apology can work wonders in rebuilding trust and strengthening the bond. Imagine a garden where every flower, no matter how unique or unconventional, is allowed to bloom. It's about approaching differences with curiosity rather than criticism, with a desire to understand rather than judge. When your partner shares a different perspective, instead of dismissing it, ask questions. Love thrives in an environment of acceptance where we feel free to express ourselves authentically without the fear of judgment or ridicule. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship. When conflict arises, approach it as an opportunity to understand each other more deeply, to find common ground, not to win or be right. If things get heated, it's okay to take a break, to step back and gather your thoughts. Healthy conflict is about finding solutions that work for both partners, about honoring each other's needs and feelings. Just as plants need sunlight and nourishment to thrive, so do we need support and encouragement to pursue our dreams and become the best versions of ourselves. Celebrate their successes, big or small, and be their unwavering cheerleader through challenges. When we feel supported in pursuing our individual paths, it strengthens the bond of the relationship, creating a beautiful tapestry of shared dreams and individual aspirations. Life is a constant dance of change. Embracing patience and flexibility is essential for nurturing emotional safety in the face of these inevitable transformations. Allow space for your partner to evolve, to explore new facets of themselves, and be open to the ways in which these changes enrich your relationship. Building emotional safety is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring the profound power of emotional safety in relationships. We hope these insights serve as guideposts as you cultivate deeper connections with the people you love. Remember, creating a safe space where vulnerability is honored, authenticity is celebrated, and love flourishes takes time, courage, and consistent effort. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos.